Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video we are going to show you different type of saree collection. So please watch the video till end. Friends, this saree collection includes chiffon saree, georgette saree, cotton saree, silk saree, cotton blend saree, silk blender saree, net saree, crepe saree, cotton silk saree, borderless silk sarees, plain chiffon sarees, and half and half sarees. Friends, these kind of different type of saree collection are perfect suitable for daily wear, office wear, birthday party, function, festival, wedding, get together, engagement, reception, family gathering, daily wear, office wear, farewell wear, party wear, and all other simple and special occasion. These kind of saree collection are perfect suitable for all age group women. Friends, if you wear this kind of saree with perfect contrast blouse, you look so gorgeous and beautiful. These kind of saree collection are crafted with lace work and saree work. Friends, this kind of saree collection available in both online portal and your nearest market. Friends, if you want buy this saree collection in online portal, please check the link given in the description box. Friends, I hope you guys are love this video. If you like this video, please do like, comments and share it to your friends and family. Friends, please click subscribe button and along with the bell icon for immediate notification. Thank you friends and keep watching.